Hi guys, Miss Johnny here, Trinity Travel, and today I am broadcasting from Cancun, Mexico. I wanted to give you a room tour so that you could be able to see the suite that we have at the resort that we are currently staying at here in Cancun. This resort is all inclusive and is located on the beach, and it is also family friendly, which I love. Right? Anyone that knows me knows that I am all about family. And if you are looking for a resort to where you can be able to get away, get out of the country, right, and take a quick trip to Mexico and bring your children, this is ideal. So far, it is family friendly. So as you can see, this room has a king bed, right? Because this is a king suite ocean view. And it also not only has the king bed, which you see, but it also has a pull out. The sofa pulls out. And in addition to that, we have a coffee maker in the room, as well as a mini fridge. And of course, there is a flat screen TV. This bench here is a good place where you can be able to put your bags, or you can use it as a sitting area when you or the kids come in and you just need a towel off and you don't want to further track any water or sand in anywhere. So this is a great little sitting area here. This area right here is the closet. And to give you an idea, it's a good size closet space. And of course, that is the bedding up there, the pillow, and the blanket for the pull-out. And there is a safe. Before we get to that beautiful view and the balcony, let's talk about the bathroom. The bathroom is absolutely adorable. Of course, it has all of your essential needs, right? There's a sink. It's not a double vanity, but of course you do have the toilet, and there is a hair dryer for those that need to blow dry their hair. There is a mirror if ladies need to do their makeup, or gentlemen that needs a mirror so they'll be able to get a cleaner shave in the morning. And then there's this beautiful walk-in shower. Now, let's talk about the best part of the room, which is going to be this balcony. Look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? This view makes it all worth it. I could sit out on the balcony all day and night and be absolutely content. This room does have two balconies attached to it. So there's also pools, of course, as you can probably see here at the resort. And then there is a kid zone. And like I said earlier on, it's all inclusive. There are several dining options that are included with your stay here. So if you're interested in booking a resort in Cancun, feel free to message me or give me a call, or go to my website and leave your contact information at trinitytravelllc.com. I'll be bringing you more footage as over the next few days, so you'll be able to get to see a little bit more of the resort. Happy travels.